Hey guys, how we doing? We are here at Skyline today for their final race of the season. Got a golf cart, so I figured I'd take you around the track. They are going to put a little more water on this here in just a few moments, but let's take a look at what things look like here at Skyline. This final show, like we said, this is still early. Cars have not yet hit the track yet. So as you get one of the big things you'll notice that I never really noticed until I got out here just now was how far down the start-finish line is. I mean, we're right here. And this is probably, 2/3. We're pretty much coming up into the corner here in just a second. So, and they don't have a lot of cars here today, so they really don't need a lot of water on the racetrack for this one. I'm going to try to shoot some of the heat races and the features today also. There's no one here doing videos, so I have permission to do that. So that's why I'm going to. Now we're looking at the inside of turn 2. Beautiful up here at Skyline. There's a reason this track has its name. And they widened this backstretch. I know that was one of the things that Gary Pallone did before he left the Speedway and sold it. So you can see how wide it is back here. It is pretty wide. And you know me, I've always been a fan of this track. And we're going to go all the way through 3 and 4, and then we'll go down the front stretch a little bit and turn it off before we head back. Again, I think they're firing the motors right now in the pit area. And there is not a lot of cars, I'll be honest. A lot of attention on 5 Mile Point Speedway today, obviously, but that's why I came here. I figured everybody's going to be over there. So there we are through 3 and 4 now. And I hear the cars moving, so I'm just going to go ahead and go into the pit area. So let's take the ride into the pits. This is the pit exit here. And you'll be able to hear some cars. Are they fired up now? Yeah, I think that is. I'm not sure if that's Joe or if it's Rich Townsend. We'll have to find out about that. New driver in the 42 tonight. As George Valente is not there, Ron Rube will be in that car tonight. And the vintage cars. Prepare for hot laps. And we're going to try to pick them up. Megan Sigler's back tonight. And the old John Stanley, number 21. Rich or Joe in the car today?
Joey.
It is Joe. Okay,
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, the other one got hurt real bad.
Oh, that's right, it did. I forgot about that. Did it get the head? The camera's on, by the way. Did it? Because I saw you got the headers. Did it get the head at all or no? Oh, so it could have been worse.
Yeah, not much.
Okay, all right.
I got the frame, steering box.
Oh, man. Let's hope for a nice, easy day today then. Okay, Joe? Have fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Doug.
So we'll go up here now and get up close to some of these cars after I shut this thing off.